adventure walk part 2. So I posted like another video here like about a day ago, but here is like a lot of the parts. So anyways, look at this place. It's amazing what people build usually. Guys, I'll cut to when you get a better look. Get back to this. Look at everything, guys. Trees, everything. It's awesome. Best part, it's much more fun. I want to kind of climb the walks with them. Can't keep stopping. They'll stop at a couple places, but I don't want to walk on rocks right now.
Yeah, I think this church
Nice. Look at this. Yeah, isn't that cool? Nice. Flowers too. Perfect. And this. Look at that. Anyways, I'll cut to the next one. Oh, this. Guys, look. Yeah, aren't they cute? These are duckies. Anyways, look at these stairs. This is an amazing park. You should check it out, guys, sometimes.
Just be careful.
So, guys, look at this.
Go closer.
Look at all this, guys. Yeah, I bet you've never seen anything like that while you're walking. Look at all this place. I am doing amazing. Yo, this is my mom again. Second video she's in. Anyways, I think we're going to cut to the next landmark, so I'll see you guys there. Guys, I found another thing.
What's it say? Why don't you tell them what it says?
They can rate it.
Not if you don't hold it long enough. Do you know how to swap your camera, or do I need to show you that?
Oh, I do, but it won't allow you to do it once you start recording. Alright, guys, let's continue.
Alright, hit pause.
See you. Everybody, I just found some cool.
I wouldn't get too comfortably close.
Why they're not attacking me? They're just like walking away saying.
No.
Look at all this, guys. Sorry for that was an accidental pause. Anyways, I'll see you in the next thing we find. Guys, look at this amazing place. Look at all the views and things.
Watch where you're walking, please. I think it is a spider bait.
Guys, look at this bridge. Looks like an abandoned place though. Anyways, I'll cut to our last landmark and I think that'll be it, guys. Guys, I think this is going to be like my last thing because my phone battery's kind of getting low. So you guys may want to watch. Look through. Just enjoy the scenes and I may have to cut it. I'll do the outro if I can't make it to the scene I want. But pause and let's keep going. Guys, look at this. Isn't this good too? Taking the scenery because I may not be recorded. It's my last part that I want to do. But just see him come back. Guys, look at this. Isn't it amazing, guys? This bridge is cool too, but you'll love the bridge if I have enough time and battery to do my outro on the bridge I want. But if I don't, I'll end it and you'll know. Guys, so I didn't really get to the bridge, but
Come back tomorrow if you want. You can leave it on your phone fully charged. Why I tell you, leave it alone when it's charging.
so I didn't get to the bridge too much, but anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one.